In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a portfolio link. If you've created a portfolio and you're ready to let someone else view it, sharing the correct link is a simple process. The key is making sure the file or folder is set up with the right access permissions before you send it. That way, the person receiving the link can open it without any issues. To begin, open the portfolio file or folder you want to share. Make sure you're selecting the correct item, especially if you have multiple versions saved in the same location. Taking a quick moment to confirm this can help you avoid sending the wrong portfolio by mistake. Once the portfolio is open or selected, click Share. This will open the sharing settings where you control who can access the file and what they're allowed to do with it. If you skip adjusting these settings, the link may not work for the person you send it to, so this part is important. In the access options, change the setting to anyone with the link. This means the portfolio can be viewed by anyone who has the link, even if they are not directly added as a collaborator. This is usually the easiest option when you want to share your work quickly and avoid access request messages. Next, set the permission level to Viewer. This allows the recipient to open and look through your portfolio without making any changes to the original file or folder. Using viewer access is a good choice when you want to present your work professionally while keeping it protected. After that, click Copy Link. This copies the shareable URL to your clipboard so it's ready to paste wherever you want to send it. Before moving on, it can be helpful to double-check that the access settings still show anyone with the link and viewer, just to make sure everything is correct. Finally, send the link. You can paste it into an email, message, application form, or anywhere else you need to share your portfolio. Once the link is sent, the recipient should be able to open it directly and view your work. And that's it. By opening the portfolio, clicking Share, changing the access to anyone with the link, setting it to Viewer, copying the link, and sending it, you can share your portfolio quickly and confidently.